Welcome to our first video here. This is dealing with statistical calculators as they'll be used in Chapter 3. There are several different statistical calculators out there. Some popular ones are the TI-83s, the TI-84s, there's a different 30, 32s, 34s. These are all basically the same in this area, and these are all basically the same. I will be using in particular the TI-83 Plus. I have a download available for that in the Week 1 folder, which you can use throughout the semester, even on the midterm and the final. There will be a way for you to use it then. So I'm using this for all my examples as we go through the rest of the chapter, or the rest of the course. So looking at the use of the TI-83 calculator. As you can see, it's the TI-83 Plus, and we're looking at a couple things here. Is data entry will be the first thing that we look at. And the second thing I'm going to refer to as screen usage. So to begin with, let's just look at a very simple data set, 5, 2, 4, 9, and 7. Very simple data set that you could use. So we're going to look first of all at the data entry. To do that, start with the Stat button. From there, you'll notice that there is the edit, the calc, and the tests. Begin with the edit. So that's highlighted, then go with the enter. Notice that you'll see list 1, list 2, list 3 there. There are several lists. 5 lists on the 83 pluses. Some of the others have 6 lists and an expandable number. The 80 or the 30s and 34s, those only have one variable at a time, one list. So for this, you begin by just entering the 5, enter, then the 2, enter, the 4, the 9, and the 7. That shows you that I've entered everything. I've got 5 values up there. From there, again, click Stat. And now it's showing again the Edit Calc. We want to go to Calc. It's going to do all our calculations. And since it's highlighted one variable stats, because we are only dealing with one variable. Click on the Enter. It is flashing. The flashing is because it wants to know what list. Default is list 1. If I had a second list, hit second, L2. So those are our options as you do that. But default, like I said, is list 1. Click enter, and you'll notice all these different values there on the screen. What you're going to be using. Sum of x. As you can read off the screen, that's 27. That means the 5 plus 2 plus 4, etc. That's the sum of all those values. Then you'll see the sum of the x's squared equals 175. Well, that means 5 squared plus 2 squared plus 4 squared, dot, dot, dot. However many data points you need. With 5, it's not that hard. It wouldn't have been that bad. But with 45, that's a lot more to enter and deal with. You will also see there X bar 5.4. That's actually the mean. You'll see S sub X 2.701 dot dot dot. You'll see sigma sub X is 2.416 dot dot dot. Those are the different values that you'll be pulling off your screen as you're getting ready to do that. The part up here in red is talking about what those particular values actually mean. You're going to be able to pull all of those off of the calculator as you're using those, and as we look at the further examples, you'll see that. Also remember that you can download this so that you don't have to worry about having a statistical calculator. You can use this at all times.